Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Artistic Trails. This is Sandhya from Artistic Trails. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to do madhubani sun painting. It's the continuation of the lesson of madhubani videos. If you have not seen my previous video, do check it in my channel. Links will be given in the description box below. You can check it out there. I have shown many basic madhubani art videos there. So today I'm going to show you how to do sun painting, Lord Sun in Madhubani. So let's start now. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and share it with your friends and family. If you like my video, give it a like, thumbs up in the channel. So let's begin now. Madhubani paintings borders are very important. So I'm doing border with the help of the ruler. You can do. If you are not good at freehand, you can go for ruler, scale. Many border patterns tutorial I have shown. Uh, all tutorials are in my YouTube channel. Please check it out. Many border pattern I have shown there. Any of them you can choose for this painting. I am doing very simple pattern here. I am taking half semicircle pattern. Any pattern you can take. Sleeping lines also you can do, or triangular pattern as I shown in the other video. A flower pattern you can take, square, diamond, any you can take. No restriction in that. Madhubani painting borders are very important in that painting. They always do borders. It looks very pretty. Here same thing I am showing as I shown in the before videos. Here I am doing it in sketch pen and I have taken drawing book, normal A4 size drawing book for practicing here. If you want to frame that, you can do it as well. Means here I have double lined this flower half semicircle pattern. Double lining is very important here in Madhubani. I'm doing the simple border pattern. You can do any pattern. You can fill this with dots or flower pattern or triangular even as well. That is also fine. Same way I'm doing all over the four sides. Here I am done with the half semicircle pattern. Here I am not filling this. Here half circle I'm not filling. I'm filling only colors there, no other designs. If you want, you can do design as well, like this. Can in the corner you can do like this. Same way all four sides. Now let me do the sketch of the sun. In the center of the sheet I am drawing round. If you are not good at freehand, go for compass and you do any size you can do according to your sheet. You can take. Here I am doing it in hand only. Let me take gel pen and show you the other part. Any black color gel pen you can take. Same way we can do the border also in pen. Now let me fill this empty part. I am doing flower with flower petal like this. Simply circles. Here I have taken watercolor sketch pens. You can go for watercolor with brush and all. Here I am using the sketch pen. If you are doing it in a canvas, then go for acrylic. I am using this watercolor pens, or you can go for simple sketch pen which kids use. You can use that as well. Okay, so let me start coloring now. In Madhubani, they don't use much color detail shadings, just filling the colors. Here I am taking yellow color. You can go for light orange as well. Sun. Okay. Full circle, inside circle. I'm going to fill it with the yellow. Here I am using black color, as I don't have a watercolor black. Here I am filling the colors with a gel pen only. In the next videos, I am going to show Madhubani lady painting and Madhubani peacock painting. So stay tuned. For tilak, I am using red like this, and for lips, I am using red only. We can go for pinkish red, but I think I like red only, like this. For inside one line, I am using red rice. It looks vibrant like this. like this. I, I forgot to double line eyebrows, so I am doing it now. You can do it before only. Now you can fill it with black like this. Same with this side as well. Like this. For this I am filling red color. For this part I am filling orange color. Here I have painted again orange. Sorry, I forgot to take the clips. Now I am going to paint outside with blue color. Any color you can do background. See, I am leaving this flower pattern as it is and filling the background color with blue all over the background. Here I am going to design this outer part with normal gelling black ink. You can leave as it is if you want, or you can do design like this. Semi-circle I am doing. You can go for triangular pattern as well. Here I am done with the design. Now the same way this double line is remaining. You can leave it like that or you can fill the colors. I am filling it with the red color. Okay. Now I am going to complete this background with blue color. I am done with the background. I have filled all over the background with blue color. It's almost done. Let me draw now designs, or you can fill the colors for border, but I am not going to fill the colors in full, so Let me show you how to do the border pattern design. Actually, I have a separate video on border patterns. It's a lesson 1 in Madhubani. Please check out in my channel. Here I have done in the pencil and now I am doing in the pen. If you want, you can directly do from pen only. Okay, whichever you feel comfortable, you can do that. For this designs, I am doing sleeping lines like this, zigzag pattern. I am leaving space in between two designs. I'll do this all over the four sides. Here I am done with the border patterns all over the four sides. Now I have left two half semicircle in between the design. So this you can fill with any color which look good. It's up to you, or else you can do any other designs like this which I have done in here. Anything is fine. Here I am taking red color and I am filling it here. All over the four sides I am filling the same color. Here I am done with the filling red color all over the four sides. If you want, you can fill this area with any color. If you want, I am going to leave as it is. So this is the finished painting. Hope you like my today's video. If you like, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye.